What's up? We'll start in a bit. 3 more minutes. Let's start, okay? We will start in 2 minutes, my friends. In the meantime, let's do some time pass until we wait for 2 more minutes. कितना late आते हैं लोग nowadays. Oh my god. I always come so early and people are so late nowadays. What to do? Pretty sure some people will be like Sharam hi nahi hai. Yeah, yeah. Today I'm in the mood to do some chill session. Do you guys want to do a chill session today? Because I'm having the worst headache possible today, like literally the worst headache possible. I didn't sleep also last night properly. Dimag kharab ho gaya. Thinking should we do some chill session today? Like not a market talk. Let's not call it market talk. Let's do some chill session where I just get some people up on stage. You can ask me whatever you want. Chill, relax. Doesn't have to be related to finance. Doesn't have to be some heavy loaded shit. Just a chill talk today. Why listener count so less today? Because the notification has not gone out yet. It only goes out after 5 minutes. Abhi 4:35 ho gaya now. So let's see after another few minutes. You see suddenly it'll shoot up to 200, 250, something like that. Little changes in the app. We're still experimenting a lot of things. See now suddenly it's going up. See. Hey, one sec. What happened? Hello. Hello. Okay. No. I'm not talking. No. I was talking to Varun. Oh my god. Okay, we'll start. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few people on stage today. Today, we're not going to do heavy content, not going to do market talk as market talk. What we'll do is we'll do some chill session where we can just ask questions, interact with the audience. Um, doesn't have to be questions only related to finance, it can be anything. Firstly, did you guys see yesterday's video? Did you guys see my yesterday's video? Was it good? Was it bad? By the way, we had a lot of people yesterday on the video. I don't know whether you guys saw it, but we had some what 686 people, guys, live watching it last night. It was insane, right? Crazy it was. But also, um, I think it was very insightful. But hope you got the message. Basically, the main message of that entire video was percentage matters, right? The most important message there was percentage matters. And I hope you guys understood how percentages work, whether it is SIP or whether it is this. A lot of people keep messaging me saying, why do you look at Kager when it comes to small case, ye wo falana dimkana? I don't care about Kager. I keep telling them, but I thought it's better to make a video and then tell them that, listen, I don't um, care about the video. But it's on YouTube for all the people who don't know. Just go check Avalon Metal Live's YouTube and you can do that. Chalo. Today's session is not going to be extreme market talk. Today's session is going to be very chill, relax. I want to have a chill session. I want to interact with my community. I think I haven't interacted with you guys a lot. Every day we come at 4:30, talk so much finance, finance, finance. Head gets a little tiring. So I want to see if we can do one relaxing session today. How's that sound? Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Cools. Okay, let me do one thing. First, let me give you a basic of what is there in the market before we exactly start, because that at least one basic knowledge should be there. Basically, market was really down in the morning. Okay, really down. It was 350 points down in the morning, and I think it recovered towards the end. Okay, it recovers towards the end. So that has done really well. How has our stocks done? Let me check one by one. I'm only talking about my top four, right? I don't. The other ones are good, fine, ठीक है, ऊपर जाएगा. But I'm just checking my good ones. All green for me, good stuff. Wow, happiest went up by 5% again. Interesting, very interesting. Who is manipulating Adani stocks? Okay, we don't know. We'll see what's the scene. Okay, chalo. So let's do one thing. We're going to do today a chill session. Today is not going to be heavy finance creator kind of a session. Let's do something chill. Okay. And let me take a few people on stage. Jisko aana hai, aa jao. I'm going to take randomly. But please be civil. Don't ask. Don't be uncivil. Let's call it that way. Please be civil, okay? One second. Someone's calling me on gather. Yeah, Abhinav. हेलो. क्या हो गया इसको? Abhinav, I'm in the session on scenes. Can I interact with you at 5 p.m.? चलो bye. Okay, I think I've taken how many people? I only don't know. मैं बस accept करते जा रहा हूँ. Okay, I think we have a lot of people, and there's a lot of disturbance coming from Shubham's mic. Good stuff. Okay, and wait, I want to get Anish on top. Anish, are you here? I think you should also come. किसके घर पे इतना is going on in the background? Divakar, I think there's some construction going. Okay, Davneet, you can also come. Yes, come, come, come. Manish, you come. I want you guys to help me moderate this session as well, okay? Because I don't want to be the one like a host sitting and doing. I need help, okay? Because today my head is hurting a lot, and I need to free my mind, as you can call it. So you guys have to help me on that, okay?
Hey Shashank, am I audible?
Yes, Anubhav is audible. Anish, you'll have to help me this session. Davneet, also you can help.
Sure, sure. Done, done, done.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, guys. So today's a chill session. You guys can take any topic, talk about anything. I'm going to be here only. Let me make Anish the moderator also for now. Anish, I'm giving you mod access.
Thanks, man. I feel powerful.
Don't
Just
don't
kidding.
feel too powerful. Okay, just give me one sec. I need your full name. Hey, what's your full name on the app? Okay, Anish.
It's Anish Nandalike.
ऐसा क्यों है तेरा नाम? Why is it like that?
Oh my
What is
god.
Nandalike from, dude?
It's a place in Karkala. It's a place in near Mangalore. So it's a place.
Ah, I get it. Okay, I
All
made you
these
the
small.
mod as well.
Thanks.
Chalo, you can talk about anything. I want you to be the moderator. I'm here. I will give my 2 cents, 3 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents also here. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Shashank, can you do a research on Polygon Matic?
I have not started yet. I am going to do that this now. Next week onwards, it's crypto week. Woohoo!
All right. Excited for that.
Yeah, I'm also excited for that now. I
Can
should
I
get
say?
some crypto company to actually sponsor me, dude. Itna content karo, you should get someone to bloody pay me money for all this.
Reach
I
out to CoinDCX.
Yeah, you should
Hmm?
reach out to them. You should reach out to these guys. I tried reaching out to Nischal, but I am pretty low key on Twitter. I have like 50
No,
followers.
no,
That too, they're all my.
Nischal and all too difficult, man, to directly reach out and ask for something like that. And also, I don't like asking people. I like when they come to me because you keep the power on yourself, right?
Yes.
Some negotiating time. No, because see, it's anyway I'm delivering the same kind of content. Someone will be like, okay, use my platform and do it in that. Show them this, show them that. As long as it's integration and not a promotion, it should be okay. I should find someone so everyone wins that rate. Cool. Let's talk about something.
Okay, this Anubhav asked about Polygon, right? I have a joke to share. So I made a post today on Insta about investment, and one of the comment was his brother invested into Polygon thinking it's an insurance company. So I thought
Whose brother was this?
किसी ने comment डाला कि his bro invested into Polygon assuming it's into insurance. I'm like, wow. Okay.
At what rate? Even if we invested in that, what rate?
Recently, mostly when it shot up, that's when most of the people got in, right? They were FOMOing, and that's when they got in.
Yeah, I didn't buy any of it, dude. I should have bought one or two Matic. But again, in somewhat, I don't trust these guys a little bit. Some because I saw the photos of the founders. There's little young, too young to be true kind of founders, right? Again. I won't judge them on the founders because now people are in 18 years, 17 years. They're coming and making startup and putting people like us to shame. So it's good in a way. The startup ecosystem is building, but a lot of smart people coming at a young age, too young to be good that way.
Okay, this brings me to the this reminds me of someone called Gajesh Kamath. Okay,
Okay.
he's built something over Polygon. Built something on top of it. He's already a millionaire because of this. Because
Can someone tell me what exactly is Polygon? Is it like an Ethereum infrastructure kind of a thing? Can someone
Yeah, it
explain?
is based on Ethereum layer 2.
To do what?
I somewhere read that it was solving the gas fees problem. I exactly haven't researched about it, but the topic is gas fees.
Is Matic exactly like Ethereum or is it something else? What is the fundamental use of Matic? Why are people using Matic? Why are people making side chains on Matic? I don't know. I've not done my research. That's why I'm asking you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys are investing in it, so you guys should know, right?
the primary so Ethereum blockchain has issues, right? One of the primary issues is the gas fee, high gas fee. So Matic ka side chain, that saying that by using our side chains we will solve that problem. So but
Okay.
here's the thing, Ethereum Q 2.0 will solve that issue. फिर
Isn't
क्या होगा?
Ethereum moving to proof of stake instead of proof of work?
Exactly. तो इसके क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा Matic? That's the question now.
Yeah.
See, I think one of the reasons for the hype is Mark Cuban invested in it. तब जाके ये hype बहुत ऐसे चढ़ना शुरू हुआ तो वो मैटिक आ गया, क्या नया नया चीज आ गया.
He was there in the top 15, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Like
No, it
long
is
before
in
Mark was
16th
invested, it was
position
up
currently.
on. Sorry?
It is in 16th rank in coin market cap.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It was always up. So it was not because of Mark Cuban. That definitely helped in the hype. But I don't think he was the sole purpose for it to go up, right? And once proof of stake kicks in, again, I don't know how many of you all know what proof of stake is. I think someone should explain to someone what proof of stake and proof of work is. Go ahead, guys. I want you guys to talk more. I talk every day for 1 hour. I want you guys to interact now.
Guys, anyone here know what is proof of stake in simple words? Can you explain? Anyone on stage?
Anyone on chat also, if you're interested, Anish will get you on. If you guys have something to add, you guys know no idea? Should I have to explain it? What proof of
Karthik,
stake is?
Karthik says he knows. Karthik,
No,
hop on.
get Karthik. See, today's community learning day. Okay, I just made a new word, but today's community learning day.
Rakesh ji is saying he knows but is not talking. I don't know why.
KG has internet issues. I think too much pan. Okay, either way, let's continue. Proof of stake basically means you are keeping your Ethereum in the staking wallet of Ethereum. What happens is there are miners doing a lot of work to validate transactions. Proof of stake basically means I use some Ethereum of my own and keep it in the staking wallet, which helps the transaction go through with that, and I get rewards for just taking. It's basically as equal to keeping my money in an FD or in something. Like as long as I'm locked in, I'm getting returns, and if I remove it from there, I don't get returns. The more I stake, the more I make passive income on Ethereum. That's what it is. So the stronger the staking or more the staking, the more better the network becomes. That's how it usually works. Okay, so that is the concept of proof of stake. So it is good. I mean, I am buying Ethereum, so once it goes into proof of stake, I'll put everything under staking and I'll just sit down for like chill out. That'll make passive income for me. That's the idea of proof of stake. Okay, chalo next. Some other topic apart from Matic. Someone did the Matic topic. I think not many. But it doesn't have to be only related to finance. You can talk about anything. Huh? Please go ahead.
Hello, hello,
Yes.
hello. Hi,
Hello.
Hi, Shashank. Am I audible?
Yes, you are, my friend.
Hi, Shashank. First of all, congrats. I've just been trying to come on stage since the last week to congratulate you on the funding and the whole team. Thank you so
Oh,
much for
thanks, man.
educating
That's
us.
sweet.
Yeah. Also, another thing I wanted to check if you could cover something on covered bonds. So I just saw this website Wint Wealth, which even Kunal Shah has invested, and it offers a little bit higher return than a debt fund. I'm also trying to
Yeah.
study the website, but wanted to know if you could also do a session informing us on the risk associated and how it works.
So a lot of
Yeah, that's
people are
all.
doing a session on Win12. I mean, a lot of people are promoting Will12. I think they've started the influencer marketing program. I might be investing in that company. It's still internal news. It's not confirmed yet. But they've asked me to be a part of the company. They've finished the round with Kunal Shah and all that, yes. But they've reached out to me to invest in that company. I'm thinking, should I do it or not? Yeah, PR Sundar did a video. I think Anushka did a video yesterday. They've reached out to me, but I didn't do it because I didn't understand it so well. I've spoken to their team, but they want me to invest, so I'm just waiting on it. But to give you a small brief, it is fixed income bonds, very similar to something. Do you guys know what NBS is of the US past US crash? So it's very similar to a fixed income bond. Yeah, so basically what they do is they take other loans, make that into a particular bond, and then keep it and sell it to everyone else. So basically there are a lot of these auto loans. They've taken all the loans, made it into a product, and then they're actually selling it as another bond where you get a fixed income of 9 to 11%. Earlier, if you want to buy a corporate bond, it is very very expensive if you want to buy a corporate bond in the past. Now corporate bond buying has become a little cheaper, so now they're trying to get retail participation into the bond market, which ideally was a different market only for HNIs and corporates. So that is what basically Wint Wealth is doing. Might do really well in the future. That is why I'm interested in investing it. Might not do well also. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But it's Zerodha backed, so I think I'm gonna take a I think I'm gonna take a bet on it. But again, let's see. It's not confirmed. Nothing's confirmed yet. So until it gets confirmed, I have no idea. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much, Shashank. Thanks.
Yeah, no issues. Somebody else?
Hello,
Hi,
hi
Shashank.
Shashank. I hope you are doing good.
Yeah, man.
So actually, I had a question about bearish market. So since you and only Rakesh ji over here has witnessed bear market, so what are the strategies to deal in such kind of market? Like everything is
Rakesh
going
ji, do you
down,
want to take
and
this one, Rakesh? Rakesh, if you can please take some side time away from your PE deals, I think this can help. Please also educate the people and help them also.
I think
Rakesh
he's
ji
spitting
is
pan
saying in
masala right
Pankaj,
now.
chat.
please.
No, he's saying he can't unmute.
Okay, then rejoin, man. Okay, fine. Can someone else answer this question? Anish, can you? Or the Davneet, somebody. There's so many people on stage. You guys, it's a collaborative thing.
If no one wants to take it, I would like to take it. See, my principle or funda is very simple. I'm sure you've listened to Shashank say this umpteen number of times.
Exactly, I'm bored.
Yeah. So if you
So,
have picked Shashak, I'm gonna repeat the same line. If you have picked companies that you believe in, when I say believe in, you have looked into their financials, you believe in their growth story, you believe in their numbers, you have checked the historical numbers, and that is why you have put your money. And you're also, you know that stock market, when it comes to stock market, you would be doing this for quite some time. When I say quite some time, it is usually 3 to 5 years plus. That is when you'll see the effects kicking in, you'll see your wealth growing. Now, keeping this in mind, I don't really care agar aaj market will go down by 300 points or if it goes out by 600 points. Well, it's great to look at my portfolio when it goes up by 600 points, but if it goes down by 400 points, I don't really care and sell out of. I don't FOMO and sell it out. I just stay invested because I
I
know these stocks will do well. Yeah.
Yeah, I completely agree. But the problem here is when everything is gonna go down, and and at the same time we don't have that amount of money to average it all out. So if there is something that we can like shift our money from here to there, like are there any strategies, or we should just hold because the company fundamentals are very good?
I personally would hold, but there is one thing that you can do. You can have the stop loss thingy. This I usually personally I use it for a short term horizon. If I've believed ki if I'm playing or betting on a theme, the sugar theme, then I would have a stop loss 15, 10, 15%, and I'll quick 15 to 20%, and I'll exit. Otherwise, I'm someone who stays invested for a long time. I don't really care if it goes down or up. That's my view. That's the way I think. But you need to understand one thing. As an investor, it's like an attitude, I'd say. Some of you are like Rahul Dravid, while others are like Virat Kohli. Chalo aaj pura faad dete hai types. You go aggressive, but some of you are like Rahul Dravid, slow and steady. I'm more of in between. Yeah, I'm somewhere in between. I'm still caught in the middle, I'd say.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
don't be
thanks
Prithvi
man,
Shaw
thanks.
in the Australian series. Zero zero
Got
zero
it,
four.
got it.
Yeah, so I'm having a doubt. So may I shoot?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, so I have a doubt regarding the calcium thing that Shashank told in the last video. I couldn't understand the L part of it, the laggard stock. Like I searched about it and I wasn't able to understand regarding the RSI and how below 30 and above 70 works over there. So like could you please help me how to
Yeah, that's
understand?
in the technical analysis. Anyone wants to take up this RSI question? It's fairly simple. Anish, you can take it up if you want, or Davneet, anybody.
No, Shashank, I don't really have utna clue about this. So
Is basically known as relative strength index, if I'm not wrong, right? RSI is
Yes,
called as
yes.
relative strength index. Basically, what RSI does is if it basically shows how it's basically it also talks about the one factor is that it talks about the volume of a particular stock. Okay, it also looks at whether it is high demand, whether it is overvalued or overbought, or undervalued or undersold. Not undervalued, it's overbought or oversold. So what happens is if too much buying happens, okay, for a particular stock,
Hmm.
it goes in this overbought category. Okay, and that time the RSI you will see is at very high. If you open any RSI chart and see it, right, you will
So
see that
where
it is
to
in the
find that?
overbought. Sorry.
Like where to find the RSI stuff? Because in Screener there was nothing of that sort.
Not on screener. Don't go to screener. Do one thing. Go to Trading View. Okay, you've heard of Trading View.
Yeah, yeah, I have seen.
Okay, go to
But
Trading
where to
View. Take
find
a
that?
particular stock, and you put this indicator known as RSI, which is relative strength index. Dal do.
Yeah, they
Then
have
you
shown something green and red color, but how does it relate? Like it doesn't show any
not green
number
and red.
or
Let me tell you one thing. One second. Let me just
yeah,
open it. Just give me 1 second.
yeah.
Okay, so RSI basically is like a momentum indicator. Momentum means is it in the momentum of an overbought territory or undersold territory, or is it in the higher rising part or lower rising part?
Okay.
So sometimes when something goes up too much, it has to come down, and when something
Yeah,
goes
yeah,
down too much, it has to come up. You know that theory, right?
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
RSI is a good indicator of that. So if the RSI of a particular stock, don't worry about the green and blue. Okay, don't worry about
Okay.
the green and blue. If you open RSI, there will be a number, right? You can see across to the chart, there will be some kind of a number. So if it is above 70, if the RSI is above 70, means it is in the overbought category. Overbought category means too much buying has happened, and now there is a high chance that it will go down, it will fall down. And if it is
Okay.
below 30 or 20 or 30, right, depending on how you see it, it is in the undersold category or oversold category, means too much it has gone down, now it needs to come back up. That is basically how RSI indicator works. Simple. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and this thing,
Hmm.
ये candlesium जो है, like will it be applied on all stocks? Like I have found a few fundamentally good, like IEX and CDSL and Kaplan, PT Labs, like those type. So like, will I try to apply this in all of the stocks which I have found, like 15 to 20, what I have found by fundamental analysis, like.
CanSlim, yeah, you can. CanSlim, see, the basic idea behind CanSlim is you look at a 360-degree view of a particular stock, right? Both technical and a little bit of fundamental, because you're seeing not Kaplan, guys, it's CanSlim. Okay, it's very
Yeah,
famous
can
by
slim.
William Osman. Yes,
Yeah, can
Can
slim.
SLIM. Okay, so it is
Yeah,
a
yeah.
very famous indicator. So if you really want to do more research on it, you should. It is very valuable to understand about CanSlim tech, CanSlim investing. Okay.
Yeah. So, like, how to know when to invest in a company during its consolidation phase? Like, the stocks which I have found, like, they are so high right now. I
Go
want
check
it
the
to
P.
be.
Did you check the
What?
P on screen? Huh?
Yeah, I have checked. Like, few are undervalued, like the Kaplan and IEX and Borosil Renewables, but few are like over also, like wait, Praj Industry and Perstin
Correct. So
System.
you need to wait for consolidation.
Yeah, so how to know that when is the stock consolidating?
That's the thing. No, if that's the key question that nobody knows. That's the
Yes.
game. Right? If anyone could predict that, then everyone would be Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, no?
Okay, okay, that's great.
But you can
Okay.
just get indicators. Yeah, see, sometimes I've seen stocks that never go down, that are always up. Correct? क्या बोलेगा
हाँ
अभी उसके लिए? They're always
हाँ,
overvalued for a
like
very
the
long period of
trend
time.
is so high अभी, the companies which I have seen, it's too high, तो इसीलिए I
That's why
was
you should
just.
do that's why you should do long-term investing. Find some good stocks that you want to keep for long term and just forget about it and keep investing every month.
Okay,
Simple.
okay,
Yeah?
okay, great.
Awesome. Awesome.
Shashank, I don't see the requests, man. I am not sure if the mod privilege is on.
I gave you mod privileges. Okay, wait, let me add Rakesh. I've given you. I've added you as a mod. Maybe you'll have to re-enter the room. I'm not sure.
Shashank, I have one question on yesterday's video. So, while discussing the paid small cases, we you talked about volatility, right? Ki, when we look at the returns of small cap, you should not be concerned about volatility. And but my question is, when we learn about standard deviation, volatility, risk in theory, it is considered as a bad thing. बट नाउ फ्रॉम एन इन्वेस्टर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू यू आर सेइंग कि इसको ज़्यादा भाव मत दो, ये देखो कि 6 महीने में कितना जा रहा है, 1 साल में कितना रिटर्न दे रहा है. सो एज एन इन्वेस्टर आई एम अ लिटिल कंफ्यूज हेयर कि इस टर्म को कैसे मैं प्रैक्टिकली व्यू करूं व्हाइल पुटिंग इन मनी.
Anish, do you want to take this?
I got a similar question in one of the groups. They were referring to this term called, so they were trying to find mutual funds, and ET Money has this indicator key. I think it has a risk indicator. So there was this debt fund which shows the indicator has high risk. Okay, but and an equity fund which showed as high risk. But here's the thing: when it comes to risk, they're taking it as a factor of time here. Sorry, volatility here. So essentially, as the time increases, that risk that they're referring to, the risk factor is coming down, because they're directly relating that to volatility. It's ET Money mein ho raha hai, even Grow mein. If you check any mutual fund, this not Grow, sorry, ET Money, and I think even Small Case has changed that, right? Before they were showing risk, now they say they tell about show it as volatility. So it is a time based factor according to me. I personally do not give utna bow to the volatility factor of the stock.
Okay.
For me, it's more about again how good is the company and all that. I don't give bow to the volatility of the stock. That's my take.
See, also, whoever asked the question, no, volatility is also, it depends on your view of volatility over a time period of time, as this guy mentioned, Anis mentioned, right? Now, if you look at 1 month graph, volatility of everything will be high.
Okay.
Correct? If you
Hmm.
look at 3 months graph, volatility might not be that high. But if you look at a 5 year graph, you barely see that much volatility. You'll just see a trend.
Yeah.
So then it depends on your understanding of volatility or how you're looking at volatility. That's the major question. Are you looking at it from a time based perspective or are you looking at it from another perspective?
So the intention of my investment is definitely long term. मुझे छोटा तो खेलना ही नहीं है. So in that sense, volatility does not,
Does not matter. You just need
it
to
does not
find good
matter that.
stocks. That should be your core
Hmm.
criteria.
Yeah.
Nothing else. Yeah,
Hello.
what else, guys?
Yeah.
Hi,
Hi,
Shashank.
Shashank bhaiya.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Japan this side, and yesterday you took my question in that YouTube live session about that over diversification भैया.
Okay.
तो उसमें भैया मेरे को ना पूरा 100% समझ नहीं आया. जब आपने कहा कि I don't care if it is 100 stocks, if they are giving me 25% return, then I'm okay with it. But then the risk factor will also increase now. You have to track so many stocks, and the risk of like failing more stocks will also go up. So
In fact, it's quite the opposite. If you over diversify, your risk goes down significantly, but your returns go down significantly. Um,
yeah,
the
yeah.
holy grail, the holy grail would be someone who can diversify and get good returns because your risk is as minimal as possible and you're getting good returns. That is called holy grail. Someone
Okay.
can do that. Again, it's very, very, very difficult to do something like that.
But Bhaiya, in previous like initial sessions, you also told that uh, why would I over diversify my portfolio? I will just put that extra money into my existing stocks only,
Correct.
and they will also give me the return. So
Correct. So for
yeah.
most investors who are very new to the stock market, can
Hmm.
it's very difficult for them to have 32 stocks in their portfolio and get good returns. Very
Hmm.
difficult. Okay, the reason why I am doing this is because I had so many good stocks that I could pick, which are fast growing stocks, and that is why I'm getting such returns even on 32 stocks. Okay, that's because I've been in the market and I'm seeing what is good, what is bad. Ideally, even I would want to sit with 10 stocks, but as long as I'm getting returns, I'm considering it as a good thing, right? If I see that, okay, you know what, I'm not getting good returns, yes, then I definitely have to remove all the stocks and become a little less on the diversification. But अभी जो चल रहा है चलने दो, because everything's doing well right now. That
Yeah,
way.
yeah, 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 absolutely.
Okay.
So for you, it's different. For us, it's different because we are newbies.
Yeah, not. I mean, I wouldn't call it newbies, but yeah, I mean, it depends, dude. You'll slowly learn.
Hmm.
You'll learn how to pick stocks well, right? Again,
Yeah.
my stocks can start failing. So if I look at my stocks, most of it is doing well. So why would do I want to touch it, right? The minute I see some kind of a small case failing, then I will leave it. I will be like, okay, done. My job here is done. I need to under diversify and I have to sell something.
Okay. Okay भैया. And also YouTube पे एक वीडियो है वरुण माया जी की जो वेडिंग थी उसकी और आप उसमें डांस कर रहे थे तो आई लाइक योर डांस.
Oh, thank you, sir. That's
Sorry.
nice. Awesome. No, no, that's good. Okay,
Sir,
guys.
just a curious question. What was
Yeah.
your first stock? Like the first one which you invested on? And was it
In my life,
successful?
it was a penny stock and it was successful. It was a penny stock. I don't even think that stock exists anymore in the market. It was called Research Minds.
Okay.
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 Research Minds was at 0.35 because I told you, right? The reason why I can correlate to so many people is because I have done the exact same things in the past. I My first investment was a penny stock. 2000 I think 2014
Back in
15 के
college
आसपास.
days.
Yeah, back in college days when I first got introduced to Bloomberg, right? And Thomson Reuters बोल के एक platform था.
Heard
My
that
uncle
story.
was a my uncle was a stockbroker, right? And he saw that I was interested in stocks, and I told him I want to learn. So he said, "Okay, cool. I'll give you my company login. This basically is it's like your Bloomberg terminal, not exactly Bloomberg terminal, but he told me go join this and see, do some research, and you'll understand some stuff." So I was exposed to all these different stocks, and that platform was like, it gave you returns, right? It told you, okay, ये 10 rupees का है, what we predict that it will go to 50 rupees. That was what the entire platform was talking about. That's it, nothing else. Now, looking at that, obviously, because I don't know how to do any kind of analysis in life, I said, okay, cool, this must be so easy. It's that this platform is just telling me buy now and sell later. Okay, quite simple. Let me do that. And I did it. I bought 5,000 rupees of this thing called Research Minds, which was at 0.05 rupees. And it went up to 1 rupee, right? It basically doubled. And I made from 5,000, I made 10,000. And I was very happy. And then my uncle said, you're gambling, and we changed the password, which I got very sad after that. But yeah, that was my first stock. And now it is not even trading in the stock market.
You were lucky to get out early.
Yeah, I was lucky. No, I got pushed out. I didn't want to get out. I got pushed out. My uncle said, "Kya gambling you're doing? If I give you such access, which I'm paying lakhs for such a platform, and you go buy one penny stock that no one's heard about without any fundamental research." That is my first introduction to the stock market. Research Minds.
Okay,
Superb. I
that's nice.
lost. Like I made money in that, but then I couldn't touch the stock market for a bit. Yeah.
Hello, Shashank.
So I had a question.
Yeah, bro.
Right.
So basically, I've heard two schools of thought when it comes to investing early, right? One school of thought
Okay.
is, you can take larger financial risks, start investing in equity and all that stuff. And the other school of thought is basically, do not get into investing seriously. Invest in yourself. Make yourself like if you trust yourself to be productive and be someone who can actually increase your own personal economic output, you
Yeah.
should basically focus on upskilling rather than investing. And some of upskilling is not necessarily a cheap endeavor all the time. So
Yeah.
how would you resolve that?
So Harsha, I think a lot of people, a lot of people are like awesome accent, and they want me to reply in the same US accent. No, no. By the way, guys, that's not a fake accent. That's exactly how Harsha talks, right? So yeah, should I reply in the same accent to you, Harsha? You
Yeah,
know,
go for it.
in a very weird accent.
Go
I
for
can
it.
pull it off. I'm very bad in fake American accents. Yeah, but basically, see, the theory, irrespective of what it is, if you look at it from a slightly different angle, right? It basically talks about investing in either yourself or investing in investments for the purpose of growth. Yes,
Yeah.
whether it is personal growth or wealth creation kind of a growth, but it's growth. So I have the same theory that money, I mean, you should always be growing. Number one, that is something should be growing or not. So if today I have money, if I find a way that, okay, I know this way where I can start improving myself and become a better person, I will invest in that without thinking. Yes, because I always believe that it is about you growing in life. That is why you keep educating yourself. You go to school, college, you do all that stuff. Why? Because you have to become a knowledgeable person, and knowledge gets you money at the end of the day. Not luck, not anything else. It's knowledge, right? So do your part and do knowledge, right? But there will be a trade-off at one point. There will come a time when your knowledge will be, you can only invest so much in knowledge, but the amount of money that you make from the knowledge that you have gained will be much more. And that is when you start investing and start making money, right?
Right.
So to put it into easier perspective, early in your life, okay, early on in your life, you should invest more in yourself when you're young, so that you gain this knowledge. Okay, and later in the later half of your life, with that knowledge, you'll make a lot of money, and then use that to invest. So you win
Got it.
both sides.
Got it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Hi Shashank,
Yeah.
Manish.
Hey, man.
Uh, Actually, I'm like last 3 months I got job,
Okay.
and now actually I'm learning this following Anish and you and some other
Hmm.
people. I'm learning this investment funda.
Who are these
So
other people, bro? Tell me right now. What is this other
uh,
people and all?
Ankur, Ankur, Ankur Wariko and
Oh, okay, he's legit. No problem. Go ahead.
yes. And a-
Yeah, go ahead, man.
actually
Just kidding.
uh,
Hmm.
like my investment is different thing, but like from childhood I want to start my own startup. What is
Okay.
my dream, you can say. But
No problem.
financially, like I'm a middle class boy.
Correct.
So after getting the job, like what should be
Hmm.
my follow up towards my dream? Like how can I, like, for startup you need a lot of money. So
Okay. If startup is your dream, how much money do you
yes,
think is required for your startup? Approximately. It doesn't have to be a fixed amount because it's never a fixed amount. Average, approximate.
average you can say near about uh, 70 lakhs to 1 cr between.
Okay, that means you need to, you know that you have to start saving 70 lakhs to 1 CR over a period of time, right?
Yes,
So until you do that, you cannot live your dream.
yes.
Correct? So you have to start planning how to save that. Do reverse math, do reverse engineer. One ನಿಮಿಷ aunty, ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. You have to do reverse engineering of your entire thing, right? Basically, now if I want to make 1 crore, how much do I invest every month? And obviously, you have to get this 1 crore before you're 60. There's no point starting a company when you're 60. I mean, I've seen people do that. Um, but
Yes,
Neto, you'll become old and you'll be like, abhi startup karunga, and then uh, you'll hit retirement. They'll be like, now you have to retire,
but
senior citizen.
yes,
Yeah.
but like for startup, like only my investments should be there, or I can take like help
Ideally, you
from
should not do
pioneers.
everything yourself. You should definitely have a team that helps you out with it.
Yes,
What you
yes,
can do, I would rather say, if you really have this passion of startup and you want to build your own
yes,
startup, I would say you should think of joining and working for a startup instead if you're not working for one
yes,
already.
yes. I'm doing already. I have joined startup only. I'm learning
Hmm.
from basics. Like in which startup I want to work. That startup only I have joined last 3 months.
Yeah,
I'm learning.
perfect. So learn from that, and also you don't have to always take money and start a startup. By the way, there are a lot of startup founders who are ready to put the money, and all they want you is to come and be invested in that company, and they'll give you ESOP, right? They'll give you stocks, they'll give you shares to be a part of their company. So that is also a way to get into startup. You don't have to start your own startup, right? You can also join someone else's startup and be a founder there also. Correct?
Okay. Yes. Okay.
I would like to add to this because I have a very, very similar journey in terms of being middle class and not having money and
One
all
second,
that.
one second. Davneet, are you disconnecting constantly? You and Rakesh ji?
Yeah,
Hello.
Shashank.
Yeah, mine got disconnected twice.
Can you explain what's happening? Harsha, can you just make a note of this? Yeah. Can you tell me exactly what's happening?
Actually, everyone is getting muted, right? So I can't hear anyone, so I have to disconnect.
Yeah, same happened with me. Actually, I got a call in between, so everyone got muted.
Okay. Did you also get a call, Rakesh ji? I'm pretty sure you're very busy.
Not very busy today.
Okay. So, and before I ask another question, what is your mobile? What mobiles are both of you all using?
Mine is Android OnePlus.
And Rakesh,
Android.
OnePlus. Which Android?
I think it's 10.
Okay. Okay. So Harsha, I think I
Wait,
because I've been observing
what?
this since yesterday. A lot of
I
people are
know, I
getting
know.
decent.
What Android was it? What Android was
OnePlus.
Rakesh on? OnePlus. Okay,
Both are on OnePlus.
that's what I'm not. I didn't get what he said.
Rakesh
Rakesh,
is
is it
using
OnePlus
Redmi.
10?
No, I'm on Realme
Oh,
7
okay,
Pro.
got it, got it.
Okay, so one is OnePlus and one is but maybe it's I don't know, it's weird. Lag is definitely not there, guys. That is if you're on the previous older version, then you'll be lagging, but lag is definitely not there. But some people are disconnecting. Anyone else who's disconnecting in the last few days?
Also,
Harjot Singh is also disconnecting.
Navneet and
Hi, sir.
Rakesh, what's your battery level? Like, how much battery do you guys have on your phone right
86%.
now? 86%.
86%. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And Navneet?
And
57.
okay, got it.
Interesting. Like you see, Harsha, I've put both of them on stage, automatically they'll DC. I think 3 times I've got them back up.
Right. Okay.
This happened yesterday also, so okay, awesome. Continue.
Hi,
Anish was
Shashank.
telling something about.
Hey man. Yeah, someone was
Um,
saying something, yes.
yes,
Yes, yes. Anish was.
No,
I
I just
am
wanted to
fine.
add
Am
to
I
your
audible?
point. I think Sujit asked this question about not having money, being
Yes.
middle class. But don't you think it's subjective, Shashank? Let's say Sujit, is it a service-based startup or is it a product startup that you want to start?
Product products.
Okay, then it makes sense. But for peeps who want to start a service-based startup, and then you're assuming ki just because you don't have the cash, that is one of the reasons you might have to build a corpus. You can get started without that, right? You can start small because a service-based startup may once you can even start with very minimum funds. That's what we did at Spiritfish, and then you can scale as you grow. So maybe a smaller team when you start for the limited set of clients and then you can easily scale
Yes.
up as you grow. So money part is not utna necessary, especially for a service based startup. Yeah, just wanted to add
And
that point.
actually, yes, yes. Actually, the thing is, like, uh, my parents can support me through this. Like whatever they had savings, they are ready. But the thing is, they are asking me like what is the risk, this thing. Oh, so actually, I'm getting confused because these questions. Uh, I don't want to waste if my startup goes down. I don't want like their money to be lost in that thing. That's the thing. Actually, I have done food science and technology, and I'm planning to do in that sector. So that's the thing.
Hmm.
Hi Shashank, am I
Hi,
audible?
man. Yeah.
This is Arjun. So I'm new to all this investing and stuff. So one advice I came across that if you don't have time, just put it your money on index fund, let it grow. It's a long term thing.
Correct.
So is there anything similar to index fund for short term investing, or it's just basically what can you do to grow your money like let's say 1 or 2 year? Like I
One
have
or two
used
years. You
basically
can still put in mutual fund index also. Why not?
no like I want that something like liquid fund or debt funds. What is how to look about that? Equity you can, you need the performance and all that. How to go about basically debt funds or
Debt funds is something you should not look at. Number one.
oh sorry, okay, liquid funds, right?
Yeah,
You can
liquid
look at
fund is.
covered bonds for 2 years, which is just launched.
Yeah, look at Wind Wealth if you want to. Look at
Yeah, I come.
liquid fund is
I
not for
have
you. That's mostly for corporates.
no. Basically, I was asking, is there something like index fund for short term, short period? Oh, sorry.
Mm,
What
what is
you
short term?
like a 1 year or 2 year, basically.
I do 1 year, 2 year is pretty good on the long term scale. You can actually invest in your own, invest in some mutual fund or in index also. Even if you put in index for 2 years, it's fine. By the way, short term would be 3 months. Yeah, 3 months, 6 months. ऐसा सब short term
Okay,
हो जाएगा.
so my
I
short
think
term,
you're still in the long term phase.
that's okay. So no, basically, I always got the advice in investing scene is always about long term play, how you can grow for your retirement and etc and etc etc. But what to do if someone wants to grow the money in short term?
See, it depends on how much do you want. Chalo, let me put it in a different way. How much do you want?
Like
Percentage wise.
percentage, anything above
Dodge.
inflation, you can,
If
like
you put in 1
7
lakh, how
8
much would you want return? Hmm?
2.5 1 1 2. I
That is
have
the first
about
question you have to ask yourself. How much do you want? You put in 1 lakh, how much do you want in 1 year?
like it's not like that. Actually my father just got some money from some insurance or something like that. So
Hmm.
mm, they don't want it to be blocked in long term. So I was thinking, what
Do one
where
thing.
the
Why don't you invest in some large cap stocks? Infosys, TCS, Reliance, ITC. They'll give you good dividends. Great for your dad's money also, and very,
okay.
very, very safe. Best. Simple. Please don't take your dad's money and put it in Dogecoin or Shiba
No,
Inu.
no, no, no,
He will
no.
throw you out of the house the next day.
Never. I will do it as
Yeah.
my money.
So the safest
Not
thing is to put it with Ambanis and Tatas and Birlas. Adani pe thoda, I would still not take a bet right now. But the people who are time and tested, who are doing really well, large cap, you can even put in a large cap fund or a large cap ETF if you want. That's also their index. Large cap index pe dal do. See, Rakesh ji is telling Titan pe dal do, but Titans become boring, Rakesh ji now. Time ho gaya uska Titan ka. Uh, so yeah, invest in some big companies, large cap. That's the most safest thing you can do if you get influx of money for parents, right? Because stability is maximum, and
they don't
returns are
want a
good enough.
person. They just don't want their money to be blocked. They always worry
Yeah.
if
So large cap pe dalo,
accidentally.
you can remove it. No, anytime. 2 days, 2 business days. Tell them, agar 2 business days, if you can't wait, then it is a big issue. But you can remove in 2 business days. Finished. Ho gaya fir.
Okay. Also, is there any? Uh, I know you have a course on Avalon, but anything like if I can't invest something like how to learn on
You're asking me how to learn.
no
From
how
one
to
and a
learn
half
stock
years, I'm
market.
teaching.
How to learn?
He is the
I'm new
Guruji
to
here.
this. I'm new to this. Sorry, sir.
Okay, so do one thing, do one thing. No problem, man. Don't worry about it. Just kidding. Go to YouTube, okay? Go see most of my videos. It's all there on Avalon Meta Live channel, so you can go look at all the videos there. Go to Zero the Varsity app. Okay, it is a free app. You can go read a lot from that app as well.
Okay.
Go see Rachana Ranade's YouTube channel. Lot of basics to stock market video on Rachana Ranade's channel. It is quite long, quite lengthy. You might get bored, but you have to do it once in your life. That's all. Just take that one
Okay.
time effort and go through all of them, and you will get distracted. So when you're reading all this, YouTube will give you an amazing recommendation, and you'll see catchy thumbnails saying invest and get 10,000 x returns tomorrow, right? So
Yeah,
from those stuff, stay
I
away,
get
because
lot of tablet.
YouTube. Yeah. From you'll start with Rachana Ranade video, and you'll be like, you'll go into some other way where you see someone doing some TikTok nonsense, right? So don't go like that. Please stay focused on where you are, because it happens on YouTube. Rachana Ranade, my videos SOIC बोल के एक channel है, School of Intrinsic Compounding, very very good channel. Go check them out as well. Zero the Varsity, and just Google whatever you don't understand, Google it.
Okay.
ऐसा.
Okay. So the last one was SOIC.
SOIC, yes, SOIC.
Thanks, man.
Shashank,
Thanks.
Tanmay here. Can you
Hello.
hear me?
Yes, Tonmai. I like your name,
Yes,
dude, for some reason.
Tanmay. Cheers. Whatever your language you can speak. So,
It's Tanmay or Tanmoy?
actually, I'm from Kolkata, so it's Tanmay here, and in
Oh,
Hindi
yeah.
people call Tanmay. So,
My very best friend is from Kolkata, so I know how to do that.
uh,
Yes.
good,
When I
good.
saw your name only, I realized.
So, I'm actually 17 now. In this
Hmm.
month, next month, I will be 18. So, I'm in a learning
Okay.
phase.
Congratulations.
So, I have a question. Are you a fan of dividend-paying stocks? If and can you explain your answer?
No, I will be a fan of dividend paying stocks when I'm 60 years old.
Okay, so can you explain why not? Because
Because dividend stocks that give out dividend will not give you growth, which will not compound your wealth. That is more like, terko, you need some money for your electricity bill or something like that. Basically, house ka kharcha, right? So even the dividends that they're giving is not very high, right? For a stock of 200 rupees, like say for example, ITC is like the biggest one, right? Let's
yes.
assume you have 1 lakh that you invest in ITC at 200 rupees. Actually, it's 250 rupees or 225 rupees. Let's take an average.
Mhm.
Okay. So assume you have 1 lakh. Okay. And then you divide it by 225, you get 444 stocks. In a year, they give you a dividend of 10 rupees. You'll make 4,400 rupees in a year dividend. Would you want something like that, which is giving you 4% return? Yeah, 4% return, or would you want something that is 1 lakh becomes 1 lakh 20,000 in the start of your life?
Yes, the second option.
Yeah. Now, finding a balance between both, that it should be a fast growing stock and dividends, it's like a trade off. The more dividend I give, the less money I have in my company, so I can't grow. The less dividend I give, the more chance I can grow and give long term wealth creation. Then there are some companies like Infosys, TCS that will grow always by 10%, 12% a year and give you nice dividends. Sabko khush rakhenge, right? Everyone's happy. But again, that is towards the retirement phase of your life where people prefer steady income to do house kharcha, right?
All right.
And they don't want the money eroding also.
Hmm. Thank you. That was my
Hi,
question.
Prashant.
Hi,
Hey.
Shashank.
Yeah, so I
Yes.
had a personal finance question from you. Right now, I run a product-based company. I mean, it's not a company; it's a brand that I started 1 year ago. So a
Hmm.
lot of my cash goes into product development, manufacturing, and all. So how do I ensure that I invest adequately and then keeping a lot of liquidity with myself because I need cash for my business as well.
I usually do this where
So
I
is
keep
there a
at least,
strategy?
yeah. So I usually
Mhm.
do this where I keep at least 3 months of liquidity in the bank account. Rest of it can go into a liquid fund which I can remove in one day. That is a good practice. Okay.
Okay,
So if
because
the cost
as
of
of
your
now, I'm
startup,
not.
hmm.
Yeah, I'm not withdrawing any salary because it's a sole proprietorship, and I'm basically putting everything into my business again.
Oh, then you should
So
not focus on saving. You should focus on how to make money first. Saving can come
okay,
second. Hmm? First, make money, then you can save money.
I am making money, but it's
Oh,
hard
for
to
yourself.
predict how much that my business will need and how much do I have spare to
Okay, so
invest.
it's called emergency fund. You should always, at any given point of time, have at least 3 months of runway. Three
Acha.
times of what your monthly expenses you should always have somehow. If you're not, you're at a risk of tomorrow, kal kaun dekhega types.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank
Got
you.
it? Awesome.
Hello,
Yeah,
Shashank.
hi
This
Shashank.
is Akshay.
Yes, Akshay, tell me. Why you're so angry, bro?
So no. So Shashank, my
Yeah,
doubt
hello,
is my
Shashank. This
I
is
have
Akshay. Like, as you're going to hit me or something like
no
that.
Shashank. So see,
Yeah.
listen. I have a doubt. See, if a person chooses to make his primary income which is going to come from stock markets. Being a fundamental or a technical analyst, he can anything. I just want to know what should he be starting up with. So how should he analyze? Or what should he know from the markets every day? The market time. What should he gain from the market timings? And apart from the market timings, after the market is over, what should he do in order to gain his knowledge over it or improve himself?
Read. I tell you what, it's the stock market is a never-ending resource pool of education because one, you can never predict the market, and things like Corona comes in, like all these events come once in your lifetime, which keep changing your entire thing. You'll be like, okay, now I know this industry in and out. Suddenly,
Mm.
coronavirus will come from the side. You'll be like, oh shit, everything changed, right? I would never
Yes.
believe that airlines or planes would be grounded, trains would not work. Would you ever
Mm.
imagine such a life?
Yes.
Then you will be like, okay, all this is fine. Suddenly, one more thing will come. So every 8 to 10 years, there is a crash. Okay, it's a cycle. In fact, after a few years, this 8 to 10 year crash will slowly become every 5 to 6 year crashes, right? Depending on how the boom of money happens. Because every time there's too much greed in the market, it crashes.
Mhm.
Very common. It's typical financial behavior plus human behavior. It's very common, right? Firstly, dude, you're sitting on a bike or a cow, bro?
No, I guess it's the fan. Is it okay now?
Wait, I
Oh,
can't
you're
even
asking
see you
about
on
my
stage.
DP.
Yeah, what, bro?
Oh,
Not.
yes.
Why would you be sitting on a cow right now? But I can't see you on stage, so
I am on stage.
can you
I
guys
just
see
got a
him?
call in the middle, so
No, no, we cannot see him.
Harsha, one more interesting thing, right? I can't see him, so if I have to make him a listener, I can't.
I
Yeah, I wrote
got
So are you
a
here?
call in the middle, so I think it's because of that.
I wrote that
Oh,
down.
and I'm lagging a bit. Interesting. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think whenever
Shashank.
you get a call, I think it creates an issue for everyone. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, yeah, so basically, you should keep learning, man. You should watch. Firstly, you keep watching everyday
I
news. That itself gives you massive amount of knowledge. I'm not saying listen to everyone, but keep an open mind and curious mind, because
Yes.
sometimes people might just shout and be like, "This is the next big thing." Don't believe in that. हो सकता है,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
take your own call on it, right? The
Okay.
second
So.
thing is, after the stock gets
Hmm.
over, you every day you
Hmm.
see something that is interesting, right? Every day you'll see some new stock that you've discovered. Do some
Hmm.
research about that particular stock only.
Okay.
Okay, so something like that.
So what should I watch for in the market? So if I'm a fundamental
Watch for
analyst, or if
whatever
I.
you don't understand. As soon as you don't
Okay.
understand something, that means Google it and become an expert. Trust me, when you start looking at it, you'll think 100 things that you don't understand, right?
Yes, I get that, but my question is regarding, see, if some people do options and futures, so they look for Nifty, Bank Nifty's movement patterns every day. This is in respect to technical analysis. So if I'm into equity, so should I do the same, or is there something else I should be doing, or is it fine
You should
to
listen to
do the
Shashank
normal
Gudpa
stuff?
in YouTube, I think so.
Yeah, I do that.
No, Kurdula,
I do that.
But
Hmm.
why do everyone ask the same question? I don't know.
Who's this one more angry young man, dude?
Is that Rakesh ji?
Oh, I think that was Elon. Not sure. No, don't worry, man. See, it's not complicated. A lot of people think, where do I start? That's the biggest problem, right? Don't think about that. Just open the stock, open the news channel, just start watching it. If you don't understand anything, Google it and figure it out. And that's how you start. And then slowly, when you're Googling, no, you'll keep Googling 100 other things and you'll land up on either my video or Rachana's video or someone else's video. That's how it usually
Okay.
happens. So keep doing it from that perspective.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Awesome.
Shashank, another question
Yeah,
here.
hi Shashank.
Sorry, what?
Another question I have.
Hmm.
What do you use for fundamental analysis? You use a screener or ticker tape?
I anything, whatever I feel like, to be honest, at that point. I use ticker tape also. I use screener also.
Okay.
Whatever is easier for me to log in, to be honest. I use screener for basic knowledge. I use ticker tape for slightly deeper knowledge. So screener is easy, no login required.
Okay.
But ticker tape for slightly deeper analysis of shareholder pattern, this and that. Screener for just basic knowledge. Yeah. Time is
Okay.
important. So fast karne ka.
Hi Shashank, this is Karthik.
Hey Karthik. Why Karthik? Why you don't have a DP?
I recently joined Siemens. I haven't changed my DP. I'll do that actually. I've been
Yeah,
following
yeah,
for some
because
time.
then I can't see you. No, I don't know who I'm interacting with. Yeah, go for it.
I've been like following this is the first time I'm on stage. I've been following it for some time and congrats on the fundraising.
Thank you, thank you.
And I have just two questions. One is on what are your views on renewable energy stocks in India? There's only one, that's why it has been shooting up crazily. And recently, I heard Rakesh Indrala talking about few stocks people are not concentrating on, like travel and tourism sector, and restaurants and hotel sector. So, what are your views on those?
Rakesh, why you are telling all this to people, Rakesh? What is this? Why you are telling people don't? Why you are not looking at this, looking at that? क्या है ये?
Karthik, I'm a little busy with private equity. So yeah, just wait for my next interview. I will give more clarity on that. Now that you have told me, so I will
But I guess
specifically give more
you
clarity on
shouldn't
that.
date Pan that time.
Exactly.
Okay, I will do that also, Elon.
Like the best thing I saw, right? He's on the interview and he's having pan in the middle of the interview, and there's one private equity expert called Renuka on who's a multiples P head founder, and he's sitting there in the entire Money Control Economic Times interview, and he's having pan, and I'm like, dude, what confidence? This guy is literally like he's bothered about anything. Gutka, Khan, whatever, dude. It is insane. He's like, I can do whatever I want right now. He's reached that point. But yeah. Okay, to answer your question, renewable energy is not an attractive sector because the government itself has always been against the renewable sector. If you've tracked the renewable energy sector, if you see over a long period of time, like Suzlon and all, at one point they were industry experts, but the government never gave them a lot of money. They were always trying to undercut them, sadly. Poor guys, right? Because the government has this contract called PPA, okay? an agreement that they have with these funds or not with these companies. And if you look at it on a very sad note, that they never gave them a lot of money, right? So they didn't do really well till now. And then suddenly only one company in the power space started doing really well, and we all know why that was doing well, right? Till then there was no power renewable energy company that did well. Now suddenly Adani is doing really well, right? And they're winning a lot of projects, and the only way power stocks will do well is that if they bag more projects, which will lead to more revenues, and which is like a win-win situation for you, me, everybody, right? So that's how it is. Simple stuff. That answered your first question. What is your second question again?
Second question is few sectors which are currently down: tourism, hotel, and people are, and even you can say the aviation sector, and people are a bit bearish currently. So, what
Yeah,
do you think?
because see, the thing is now nobody's looking at it because it is not sexy and cool right now, right? They're all relaxing, they're taking a break, because they're not operating at all. Everyone's in loss. That's why they all want to come and do an IPO also, right? It's not cool enough for people right now. But eventually, when say for example, you know what? I'll tell you this, right? Let COVID finally get over. Okay, we'll come to a normalcy stage. Do you know how many people in India will boost tourism? The first thing people want to do is get out of their house and get out of India. First thing, right? Everyone will go for a vacation after COVID is done. The spike in your flight tickets, the demand of your flight tickets, the cost of your flight tickets, the average cost per flight tickets will be insane, right? You can connect the dots now only, right? Because I know for a fact, I'm not sure about the trains sector, but I'm 100% sure that the flight sector, the airline sector will do really well, because everyone will want to be like, boss, I have sat in this house. All the husbands and wives and families will be like, chalo jate vacation pe. All these new attractive packages will come out, and everyone's like, oh my god, I can't. And then they'll all go on Instagram, put one story and put one reel saying, finally in a new country, finally sitting in a flight after so many years. All that will happen, right? Little Insta FOMO will also happen. But at that point, hospitality and tourism will be one of the most thriving sectors, and you will see a boom at that point for that sector. In COVID, you saw pharma boom. After COVID, in the revival sector, you're seeing a metal boom, and post COVID, you will see a tourism boom. So you can start picking up if you want to. Post COVID vacation package, yeah,
Okay, thanks,
Just
man.
Shashank,
yeah.
we have recently heard about the defense ministry notifying about the second negative list of 108 items. Like, did you hear?
What are these
Uh,
108 items for what?
yeah, for the defense stock, like defense ministry had announced ki, like 108 items of like helicopters and the corvettes and AEWs will be taken in, like production will be in India basically,
Very good.
rather than exporting it like from other countries. So according to you, which stocks will be affected? Like steel will be one of them because their bodies are made of that. So apart from that, what else?
I have not actually done enough research on defense stocks, to be honest. I know defense stocks are like good recession-proof stocks, right? They're quite recession-proof. Like nothing will happen to them much.
Yeah.
But to be honest, I haven't done enough research on them, yeah. So I don't know what is a good defense stock. I've not done any analysis on them, to be honest.
Okay, okay, got it.
But yeah, defense is recession-proof. Basically, if you're asking me that, is it a good thing? Yeah, it is definitely a good thing. It's recession-proof.
Yeah, but which sector can it affect? Like, do you have any idea?
There are defense stocks only, by the way. Leave sector. There are stocks that are wholly defense companies. I'm not sure. I think some people in the chat might be able to help with that. But there are defense stocks. Metals will definitely do well. Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Okay, okay, got it.
Hmm? Okay, awesome. Chalo, I think we can end the session now. I think it has been a good discussion. Don't you guys say? We've done a very long discussion
Yes, it
also.
was a great session. Best till date, I feel.
Yeah, today was the chill session because my head was hurting, so we're gonna relax a little bit. No too much funda. Okay. Again, guys, hope you guys liked it. Hope it was chill enough. It was relaxing. No brain damage. Okay. Awesome.
Yes,
Chalo,
Shashank, I
bye,
just
guys.
Hey
Shashank,
Shank, I just have one request.
Yeah, man.
You are associated with Grow and you're associated with Small Case. Why
Yeah.
don't you help them associate with each other? I mean,
What do you
when is it
mean?
happening?
Oh shit.
When
Dude,
is
I'm not the guy
Grow?
who runs those companies, bro.
No,
So
when is
they'll do
Grow
the
coming on
product
small case?
development when they want to.
Okay, okay. We're
I
just
don't know,
waiting
man.
for
Like,
it.
I don't know what they're doing from an internal perspective. My job is to give knowledge as much as possible. That's what I do with them. Right? About their product features and when they want to collaborate with each other is completely up to them. I don't know. And I don't like asking because it's not my place also, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
Got
don't
it.
want to be that annoying type of guy who'd be like, अच्छा क्या कर रहे हो next क्या है उसके बाद क्या है and all. I don't like all that.
Yeah, we are
Right?
just watching your small case videos and regretting. That's it. We are doing nothing. So,
Cool, man. Have fun. Have fun. Okay?
yeah.
Bharat
Awesome.
Beta, I will try to do something for you.
Yeah, thank you, Rakesh. Thank you so much.
Rakesh ji is OG helper, dude. Before me, it was Rakesh only. But he
Dude,
was only helping
Don't worry,
himself,
boys.
sadly.
the way he says "bacha log," no, I'm on the floor when I read that. Like, hey, bacha log idhar hai. Shit.
Imagine just eating pan and saying that. That's too crazy, man. Oh my god.
Just one update because people are talking about Grow. Everyone were asking a lot about SGB. Grow has added the feature to buy SGB. Just putting it out there.
SGB sovereign gold bonds for all the people who don't know what SGB is, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Awesome. Anish, if you want, you can continue this session. I will take a leave. You can, if you want to chill with people, you can. You're the moderator. If you can see it, great. If you can't, then you'll have to rejoin. But you are the moderator, so you'll be able to accept yourself on stage, okay? But you guys can continue chilling and talking. It's not like you need me for this, okay?
Shashank, I just have one request.
What
I
up?
just so I've been using this app. Can you just look into this part in the UI where when we join a session, right, we are not able to minimize it and look for other scenes that is happening.
Yeah. That is something that is being worked on. Harsha? Yeah, Harsha's gone. Okay, yeah, that is something that's being worked on, yes.
Okay.
Shashankji, I would like to add something on that. So
Yeah.
the super notification thing, no, it comes right over the send button. So there is some problem with that. If you could
Problem with Super
please look
Notify?
into that. The super notify button, it
Hmm.
comes right over the send that paper plane thing.
Okay, let me check it out. Let me check it out. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Chalo. Bye.
Bye, dude. Thanks a lot. It was a great session.
Awesome. Bye, guys.